Have you ever thought about earning money while traveling the world? Imagine the freedom of being a digital nomad, combining work and wanderlust and having the globe as your office. In this day and age, the idea of earning passive income while exploring new destinations isn't just a pipe dream, it's a reality for many. In this video, we'll share 10 passive income ideas that could turn your travel dreams into a financially sustainable lifestyle. Stay tuned as we dive into these exciting passive income ideas that can fund your wanderlust. First on the list is blogging. A blog is your digital diary, a space where you share your thoughts, experiences, and expertise with the world. But here's the kicker: it can also be an excellent source of passive income. Now, how do you turn your words into cash? It's all about advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. You see, companies are always on the lookout for platforms to promote their products and services. And if your blog attracts a significant number of readers, advertisers will be more than willing to pay for a spot on your site. Sponsored posts are another way to go. Brands might approach you to write about their products in return for a fee. And then there's affiliate marketing, where you promote a product and earn a commission on every sale made through your referral link. But remember, the key to a successful blog is consistent, high-quality content and SEO optimization. So if you love writing and sharing your experiences, blogging might just be your ticket to passive income. Next up, we have stock photography. Imagine this. Your passion for photography not only serves as a creative outlet, but also a source of income. Yes, that's right. Your snapshots could be earning you money while you sleep. Stock photography websites are always on the hunt for unique, high-quality images to sell to various industries. Advertising agencies, bloggers, graphic designers, even corporate behemoths, they all need images to make their content pop. And here's the best part. Once you've captured that perfect shot and uploaded it to a stock photography website, it can be sold over and over again. You just sit back and watch the royalties roll in. It's just like having an online gallery that's open 24/7, no matter where you are in the world. So, whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or snapping candid street scenes, your camera could be your ticket to a steady stream of passive income. If you have a keen eye for capturing beautiful moments, stock photography could be your passive income source. Third on the list is publishing ebooks. Now, don't be intimidated by the thought of writing a book. It doesn't have to be a lengthy, novel-sized project. In fact, short, focused ebooks often do quite well. The key is to find a niche topic you're knowledgeable about, from cooking to coding, and share your expertise in an accessible, engaging way. Once your masterpiece is complete, platforms like Amazon Kindle make the publishing process a breeze. In a few clicks, your ebook can be available to millions of readers worldwide. Each sale generates income, and the beauty of this is, once your ebook is out there, it can keep selling without any extra effort from you. The digital age has made it easier than ever to share your knowledge with the world and make some money while doing so. If you've got a story to tell or expertise to share, publishing ebooks could be your next income stream. Moving on, we have online courses. Picture this: sharing your knowledge and expertise with the world while simultaneously generating income. This is the beauty of online courses. You can create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or even your own website. The demand for online learning has skyrocketed in recent years, making it a lucrative field. Whether you're an expert in digital marketing, programming languages, or even candle making, there's a market out there. And the best part? Once the course is created, it can serve as a source of passive income for years to come. But remember, the key to success is in the quality of your course. Make it engaging, informative, and worth the investment for your students. After all, satisfied students often lead to positive reviews, which can attract more students. If you're an expert in a certain field, creating online courses could be a great way to earn passive income. Halfway through the list, we have affiliate marketing. This brilliant method involves promoting products or services of a company and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create the products yourself. Instead, you're the bridge that connects the consumer to the product. The key to excelling in affiliate marketing is choosing the right products and platforms. It's essential to promote products that align with your interests or the interests of your audience. This way, your marketing efforts will come off as genuine and more effective. Furthermore, different platforms offer varying commission rates. Therefore, it's crucial to do your research and select a platform that provides a fair share of earnings. Affiliate marketing can be incredibly lucrative if done right. If you have a knack for marketing and a decent online following, affiliate marketing could be a goldmine for you. Next, let's talk about dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model that lets you act as a middleman between the manufacturer and the customer. You don't need to maintain an inventory, and you don't have to worry about shipping. How does it work? Well, when a customer places an order, you forward the order details to the manufacturer or a wholesaler who then ships the product directly to your customer. It's as simple as that. This model offers a lot of conveniences. For starters, the startup costs are relatively low. You don't need to invest in stock up front, and you don't need a physical store. All you need is a well-designed website and a good relationship with your suppliers. Dropshipping can be an excellent way to generate passive income, especially if you have a knack for sales and marketing. If you're into e-commerce but don't want to deal with inventory, dropshipping could be your passive income solution. Seventh on our list is starting a YouTube channel. Imagine creating content about your passions, your travels, or whatever sparks your curiosity and sharing it with the world. This platform allows you to generate income in numerous ways. The most common method is through ad revenue. As your channel grows and garners more views, you can earn a tidy sum from ads placed on your videos. Sponsored videos are another lucrative avenue. Companies often pay content creators to feature their products or services in a video. A win-win situation, as it also provides valuable content for your viewers. Lastly, you can create and sell your own merchandise. This not only provides additional income, but also strengthens the bond with your audience as they proudly wear or use items that represent their favorite channel. Remember, the key to a successful YouTube channel is unique, engaging content that builds a dedicated audience. If you're creative and love making videos, a YouTube channel could be your path to passive income. Scene script. Next, we have renting out property. One of the keys to unlocking passive income is to make your assets work for you. If you have a spare property or even just an extra room in your home, you could be sitting on a gold mine. Platforms like Airbnb have revolutionized the way we think about accommodation, making it possible for anyone to become a host and start earning income. Imagine your property being booked by travelers or digital nomads from around the globe, your space providing them a home away from home. This is not just about providing a roof over their heads, it's about offering an authentic, local experience that hotels often can't match. The demand for short-term rentals is on the rise. Whether it's a quaint cottage in the countryside or a stylish loft in the heart of the city, there's a potential market for it. If you have spare property or space, renting it out could be a great way to earn passive income. Ninth on the list is peer-to-peer lending. Now, this isn't your traditional bank lending, but it's an exciting avenue for generating passive income. Peer-to-peer lending works by connecting borrowers directly with lenders through online platforms. As a lender, you can earn interest on the money you lend to individuals or small businesses. Now, here's the catch. Unlike a bank, you don't have a safety net. The risk is solely on you. So it's vital to conduct careful risk assessment before lending your money. Diversifying your loans across several borrowers can help spread the risk. The beauty of peer-to-peer lending is that it's a win-win. Borrowers can access funds they might not have been able to through traditional banks, and you as a lender can earn a potentially higher return on your investment. If you have some extra cash and want to earn interest, peer-to-peer lending could be an option. Finally, we have podcasting. This exciting platform is not just about making waves in the digital sphere, it's about generating income while doing something you love. Now you might wonder, how can hosting a podcast generate income? The answer lies in sponsorships, donations, and merchandise sales. Imagine this: you build a podcast around a topic you're passionate about. As your audience grows, businesses related to your niche might be interested in sponsoring your podcast. This could be in the form of ad spots or mentions during your show. On the other hand, your faithful listeners might want to support your work directly. Platforms like Patreon make it easy for fans to donate, and in return, you could offer exclusive content or merchandise. And let's not forget the growing popularity of podcasts in various niches. From self-help to tech, there's room for every voice. So if you're a great conversationalist and love sharing ideas, podcasting might be your ideal passive income source. That wraps up our list of 10 passive income ideas you can pursue while traveling the world. From blogging to podcasting, we've explored a range of opportunities that not only offer financial benefits but also the freedom to roam. Whether you're capturing moments through stock photography or imparting knowledge through online courses, there's a world of possibilities waiting for you. So go ahead, embrace these opportunities, and find what suits you best. Remember, the world is your oyster, and with passive income you can explore it without financial worries. Safe travels and happy earning.